So the tint is finally finished. Come with me today to get the car tint, and the reason why I'm gonna tint this car, it's already tint, but I'm gonna tint the windshield. The reason why I'm gonna tint the windshield is because I find out that I have an eye problem. So I'm gonna go ahead, slap a 20% tint on the windshield. I already got the tint extension, everything that I need to go ahead and put this tint on the windshield. So I made it to the tint shop. This is how the car looks before it got tint. Like this is how it looked before it got tint. You can see all the way in the car, and I don't like driving with a fishbowl, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and get the car tint, and after tinted then I see how much I really like it, because right now it's looking good. It's looking good right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it tint.
Crazy. I'm all saying slingers. So the Glock just juke him. Here camera like something spooky.
So the tint is finally finished, and as I don't know what to say about this tint, but it's dark as shit. It gives the car like a whole new appearance, and honestly this tint right here is 10 out of 10. Around this side I might tint it a little bit more, because I'm not worried about this side, but the windshield is what used to be my problem because of the sunlights and the other car lights, but now it's different and the car is looking amazing. And yeah, stay tuned for the mirror videos and everything else.